Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can allow the apps to be installed from anywhere on your Mac operating system. So for example, when you go to your system settings by clicking on the system settings, and when you click on privacy and security, and when you scroll down here, you are only allowed to install apps from App Store and identified developers. By default, this option is selected. And if you try to install any other app which is not on App Store or it's from unidentified developer, MacBook is not going to allow you to install that app. So right now I don't even see the option to install the app from anywhere. So let me show you how you can enable that option. So for that, you need to open your terminal. So just click on this spotlight option and then search for terminal and then open the terminal from here. On the terminal, you need to give one of these two commands. So if you want to restore anywhere option, then you need to give this command, which is sudo spctl space hyphen hyphen master disable. And if you want to hide it once again, the option is sudo spctl space hyphen hyphen master minus or hyphen enable, right? So let me copy this first command. I'm going to give you these two commands in the description of this video, so you can directly copy them and paste them into your terminal. So as I said, to restore anywhere button, you need this first command. So let me open the terminal, command paste this command, and then press enter here, which is going to ask me for my MacBook's password, which I use to log into my Mac operating system. So I'm going to give that password and then press enter. And once this command runs successfully, we can once again go to the system settings. So if you have opened system settings window, just close it once and you need to reopen the system settings window, right? And once you reopen the system settings window, go to privacy and security. And then once again, when you scroll down, this new option appears here, which is for anywhere, right? So now you will be able to allow the apps from any unidentified developer also, or from the developer which is not on the app store also, right? Now in order to disable this feature once again, you just need to give this command, which is sudo space spctl space hyphen hyphen master. Instead of disable, just write enable here and then press enter. And once this command runs successfully, just close the system setting window once and reopen the system setting window, and then go to privacy and security option. And then when you go to the security option, now this anywhere option is disabled or hidden. So this is how you can allow the apps to be installed from anywhere on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.